Good boy. That's a good boy. He jumped up a whole group and got bait up not 60 yards later. And we got this good sow right here. Nope, not that one. That one. And then caught him a little piglet. So I know Domino had some success on the other side. I'm sitting here waiting on him by the bank right now, so I don't know what they got yet though.
You gonna shoot him at me?
You good. Good dog. Good dog.
Straight headshot, huh?
Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Watch out, Whiskey. Put it to the door. Shoot it.
Right here?
Yeah, go ahead. Boom, wait.
I know, I ain't gonna shoot.
Wait. Back out, Whiskey. Back out. Back out, Whiskey. Whiskey, back out. Go ahead, shoot it. Good shot. Quick shit. Quick shit, man. I'm telling y'all, book with Dominic Brown. Dominic Brown Jr. and Boo. You heard me? Bayou Outlaws.
Yeah,
Quick
brother.
shit. We only been an hour.
Come on, huh? Not even an hour, brother. We been there. Hey, just drop. Go ahead, get on some more for me, baby.
Just caught another one, Tyler.
Hey, go ahead. You want me to record it? It's on.
They call us the can man. Cause anybody can get it.
Good boy.